Only 0.0073% of the world population owns 500 XRP. Don't buy XRP. What is the future of XRP? Is buying XRP right now going to be beneficial for you in the future? 0.0073% of the world population owns 500 XRP. So, what should you do? Should you buy XRP or not? To know all of this, you have to stick to this video till the end, and you'll definitely have your minds clear about it.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So, for today's video, we're going to dive deep into currently XRP is considered as one of the 10 biggest cryptocurrencies. If the name XRP seems unfamiliar, you would probably have heard about the developer of XRP Ripple. However, both could be used interchangeably. Ripple is a money transfer network designed to serve the needs of the financial services industry. XRP, a cryptocurrency tailored to work on the Ripple network, is consistently listed among the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. XRP is cryptocurrency that runs on the XRP ledger, a blockchain engineered by Jed McCaleb, Arthur Britto, and David Schwartz. McCaleb and Britto would go on to form Ripple and use XRP to facilitate transactions on the network. You can buy XRP as an investment, as a coin to exchange for other cryptocurrencies, or as a way to finance transactions on the Ripple network. Notably, XRP's blockchain operates a little differently than most other cryptos. Other cryptocurrencies open their transaction ledgers and verification processes to anyone who can solve complex equations quickly, but transactions are secure as the majority of ledger holders must agree with the verification for them to be added. XRP was created by Ripple as far back as 2012 with a pre-mined supply of 100 billion tokens. This figure is a lot larger than the set supply of Bitcoin, which is 21 million coins. Additionally, more XRP coins can be created, whereas no more Bitcoin will ever be made. XRP was trading close to 0.005 when it launched, and prices remained largely flat until 2017, when the entire crypto industry went through an unprecedented boom. Most people know about Bitcoin's peak in December 2017, but in April and May 2017, XRP ballooned to 40 cents per token, with prices settling down around the 20-cent range for the next 6 months. Following Bitcoin's boom, altcoin season set in and XRP prices rose 84% in a day from 27 cents to 51 cents midway through December 2017. The next 2 weeks, XRP went to cross the $1 mark and finished the year on an incredible high of $2.30, an increase of 38,000% compared with where it was at the start of 2017. Understanding Ripple's history over the last years is critical to determining whether the coin is still a viable investment in 2021 and whether you should pursue it. To make this claim, however, a few fundamental understandings are required. It's crucial to figure out if you're the proper individual to hold and trade XRP, and if the coin fits your demands and desires. It's also crucial to understand what drives the price of XRP and whether or not its original purpose as a transaction disruptor is still relevant. XRP is suitable for a variety of traders and investors. It's an excellent coin for general cryptocurrency aficionados because it's an altcoin. That is, it's not Bitcoin. Yet, it's still respected and grounded enough to be considered a top 5 coin with a thriving market. At the same time, because XRP is a coin aimed at mainstream financial institutions, it is a fantastic investment for thematic investors in the financial industry. This means that anyone interested in investing in the future of transactions and payments should consider XRP. Furthermore, some of the factors that influence the XRP coin are distinct from those that influence other cryptocurrencies. As a result, while investing in other currencies, it could be utilized as a hedging measure. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, XRP is a highly volatile asset that is ideal for day traders since it offers numerous short-term trading opportunities, both for long and short positions. If you believe you are an XRP investor or trader, the next step in determining whether this is the correct currency for you in 2021 is to observe how the market evolves. As is common in the cryptocurrency industry, overall ecosystem patterns play a role, and XRP is known to move in lockstep with other coins, most notably Bitcoin. More importantly, mainstream acceptance is a huge market mover because Ripple's platform fulfills the needs of many financial institutions and other enterprises in the industry. So anytime it is adopted by a well-known brand, it can add to its worth. The XRP market benefits from technological advancements because Ripple is still considered a startup and, as such, might bring many innovations and even pivot. Because Ripple owns 61% of all XRP tokens, any significant changes within the company might have a significant influence on the currency. Investors in the United States, on the other hand, will have to wait and watch how the SEC and Ripple saga plays out. After a significant bullish breakout in early 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, claimed that Ripple had marketed unregistered securities to U.S. investors. XRP is already trading at levels considerably above those seen before the article broke, indicating that the altcoin is on its way to new highs. XRP is a cryptocurrency created with financial institutions in mind. The purpose of the coin is a vital consideration before investing. If the coin's function does not correspond to what you want to get out of your investment, it is completely useless to you. In that way, XRP is unique. Unlike other currencies, it was created to assist financial institutions and payment services. XRP is a cryptocurrency that aims to improve international money transfers and has positioned itself as a rival to SWIFT. It also provides RippleNet, which is used by financial institutions for money transfers. Although SWIFT enjoys market dominance over Ripple, this does not rule out the possibility of Ripple's eroding SWIFT's market share. It may not happen right away, but it will happen eventually. Ripple's transactions are quick and inexpensive. When it comes to money transfers, it is extremely efficient. 0.00001 XRP is cast in a normal Ripple transaction. In comparison to the price of XRP, this is the bare minimum. We are confident that if you acquire one XRP right now, it will be extremely valuable in the future. Here are some numbers that you should look at. This is a fast historical snapshot of January 7, 2018. Ripple was sitting pretty at number 2 with a price of $3.38. Before that, the second quarter of 2017 was a watershed moment for XRP. Ripple made some groundbreaking moves by integrating many financial institutions into its payment network and decentralizing its XRP ledger. In May of that year, the price had risen to almost 40 cents. The fact that XRP climbed to $3.84 at the end of 2017 during the cryptocurrency market's boom era, which is still considered an all-time high, is extremely remarkable. A $1,000 purchase would have gotten you 173,000 XRP if you had bought it for as little more than half a cent in 2016. Currently, the price of XRP is approximately 85 cents. Your $1,000 investment would have yielded a profit of more than $147,000. That is enormous! This is a 14,000% rise, demonstrating the magnitude of the potential effect. On the negative side, Ripple has been sued by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The application was submitted in December of 2020. Ripple is alleged to have sold $1.3 billion in unregistered securities according to the lawsuit. The case is still being heard in court. This lawsuit has done nothing but increase XRP's visibility and exaggeration, which is beneficial in some extent. Currently, XRP is planning to go public through an initial public offering, IPO, shortly after the litigation concludes, which, as we all know, will drive the value of Ripple's even higher. Now we're going to take a look at rich list stats and numbers of the world population that are actually owning XRP. If you look onto the rich list, you'll see the account balances of people, and there are more than 3 million accounts by now. It will further grow to 5 million, 10 million, 15 million, and so on, but also there's individuals with multiple wallets. If you don't hold more than 500 XRP, you're doing something wrong, or you are confused, because if you understand what XRP is trying to do, is that it has completely changed the whole financial sector and interrupt the whole economy in a way of means of moving money cross-border. We all know that world runs on money. We work for money. Everything we do in life involves money or exchange of goods back in the years. So, if you hold less than 500 XRP, you don't really believe XRP. Around only 0.0073% of the world's population owns more than 500 XRP. But 10 years from now, or 15 to 20 years from now, digital assets are going to be part of everybody's lives. We're going to have artificial intelligence and robots walking on the streets. You guys need to be ahead of the game. Learn as much as you can. Build up your portfolios, because you guys can't just make more XRP the way the Federal Reserve just keeps printing money. The economy is changing. The world is changing fast. You'll all need to wake up and learn. Bitcoin may go over 100K or 200K. It may go over 500,000, but XRP is going to turn the tables and change everything. Just know that 0.0073%. These are factual numbers that are on the blockchains. No doubt it's very little, but when the media picks up XRP or more people get to know about XRP, you guys are going to be high rollers. Just keep everything to yourself and accumulate in silence. The point is that the future is scary, and if you don't have money, you guys are not going to thrive in the future. So accumulate, because this market is going to blow up in the next 5 to 10 years, being extremely conservative. We suggest you do your own research before taking any big decisions. We're here to provide you with the facts and figures that might help you with coming to a decision. We are confident that XRP will succeed because it has a purpose which is relevant to the businesses and to the consumers everywhere. This is it for today's video. Hope this video was a great help to you guys. Please like the video and let us know in the comment section below that you're going to buy it or not. And are you already a part of the 0.0073% population? Also, subscribe to our channel for future updates.